Good morning children. Today in this video we are going to revise economics third lesson food security and nutrition from second volume. In the same way we will revise book back objectives, 2 marks and paragraphs, and I'll tell you how to write the paragraph, how to present the paragraph in the paper. Choose the correct answer. Availability of food is physical availability of food stocks in desired quantities, which is a function of domestic production, changes in stocks and imports. Availability of food. Buffer stock is a stock of food grains, namely wheat and rice, procured by the government through the FCI. HYV, high yielding varieties, MSP, minimum support price, PDS, public distribution system, FCI, Food Corporation of India. Everything is correct. United States of America extended assistance through its Public Law 480. Green Revolution was born in India, paving way for self-sufficiency in food grain production. Tamil Nadu is the only state in India to adopt universal PDS. Nutrition is the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. Tamil Nadu Integrated Nutrition Program was started in 1980. Economic status of one of the indicators of the overall well-being of population and human resources development. Tamil Nadu Health System Projects has launched 108 ambulance service at free of cost. Fill in the blanks. Ford Foundation from USA introduced HIV in India. Underweight is an indicator of nutrition deficiency. In the year 2013, National Food Security Act was passed by the Indian Parliament. Consumer cooperatives play an important role in the supply of quality goods at responsible rates to common people. Purchasing power is the value of currency expressed in terms of the amount of goods and services that one's unit of money can buy. Match the following. Consumer cooperatives, supply of quality goods, public distribution system, subsidized rates, UNDP, United Nations Development Program, National Food Security Act 2013, Kerala, least poor region. Now we can revise 2 marks. Define food security according to FAO. Food security according to FAO. Food security exists when all people at all times have safe and nutritious food for an active and healthy life. What are the basic components of food and nutrition security? Availability of food, access to food, absorption. Explain ship to mouth phenomenon. USA came forward to help India through its Public Law 480 schemes in the 1960s. This situation was popularly known as ship to mouth existence. Role of FCI in Green Revolution. Minimum support price was announced for the grains. Through FCI, the state procured the harvested grains. The FCI had built storage, godowns and buffer stocks of good grains were stored during the harvest season. What are the effects of Green Revolution? Effects of Green Revolution. Introduction of HYV programs. India attained self-sufficiency in food grain production. The crop area under HYVS of wheat and rice grew considerable. Milk production increased. What is the difference between universal PDS and targeted PDS? Universal PDS. Tamil Nadu has adopted an universal PDS. The family ration card holders are entitled for the supplies from PDS. Targeted PDS. The rest of the other states in India had a targeted PDS. The beneficiaries are identified based on certain criteria and given their entitlements, leaving out the rest. Write a short note on purchasing power. Short note on purchasing power. It is the amount of goods and services that can be purchased with a unit of currency. When price increased, purchasing power declined, vice versa. What are the main reasons for the new agricultural policy? Main reasons for the new agricultural policy: to give an assurance that organic or processed agricultural products will not be under any exports restrictions such as export duty, export bans, quota restrictions. To raise agricultural production and productivity. Write short note on multidimensional nature of poverty. Multidimensional nature of poverty. It is made up of several factors that constitute poor people's experience of deprivation such as health, education, living standards, income, etc. Write some name of the nutritious programs in Tamil Nadu. Some nutrition programs in Tamil Nadu: புரட்சி தலைவர் எம்ஜிஆர் nutrition meal program, Tamil Nadu integrated nutrition program, midday meal program. Now we are going to revise the paragraph. Elucidate why the Green Revolution was born. For this paragraph, we have to write the causes for the Green Revolution, as well as the main cause for the Green Revolution, and the key contributors of the Green Revolution and the effects of Green Revolution we should write. First reason was famine. Due to famine, food production decreased, and India importing food products from other countries, and the main cause the growth of population in India, and the USA introduced the ship to mouth phenomenon. According to that, extended assistance through Public Law 480, and the key contributors of the Green Revolution were Dr. Norman Porter, father of Green Revolution, and Dr. M.S. Swaminathan and Central Minister C. Shanmugam. And effects of Green Revolution: the self-sufficiency in food grains production, and rural employment and economic growth. All these points must be written for this why the Green Revolution was born for this paragraph. And the second paragraph explain minimum support price. It is a price fixed by an expert group for a particular crop by considering various costs involved in the cultivation of that crop. After announcing the MSP, the state will open procurement centers in places where these crops are widely grown. With the implementation of MSP, farmers are certain about the price they would get at the end of the crop season. All these points must be written for this minimum support price. And public distribution. Elaborate the public distribution system. In this we have to write what is universal PDS and what is targeted PDS, and what is the difference between universal PDS and targeted PDS. Like Tamil Nadu has adopted an universal PDS, and other states in India had a targeted PDS. The family ration card holders are entitled to for the supplies from PDS, and the beneficiaries are identified based on certain criteria and given their entitlements, leaving out the rest. All the points must be written in this public distribution system. And what are the factors affecting the purchasing power and explain them. Factors affecting the purchasing power. In this paragraph, you have to write about some side headings in an elaborate manner. That is, first one, overpopulation we have to write. Second one, increasing prices of essential goods. Overpopulation, increasing prices of essential goods, demands for goods, price of goods affects the value of currency, and production and supply of goods, poverty and inequality. All these points must be written in an elaborate manner for this factors affecting the purchasing power paragraph. And write briefly some of the important objectives of India's agricultural policy. In this paragraph, important objectives of agricultural policy. In this paragraph, we have to write about raising the productivity of input through HYV seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, irrigation projects, etc. Raising the productivity of input through HYV seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, irrigation projects, etc. And second one, raising value added per hectare. Raising value added per hectare. And third point, we have to write protecting the interests of farmers, protecting the interests of farmers, and then modernizing agricultural sector, modernizing agricultural sector, environmental degradation, and environmental degradation, removing bureaucratic obstacles, removing obstacles in this agriculture field. And all these points must be written for this paragraph. Discuss about the multi-dimensional poverty index India and Tamil Nadu. In this paragraph, we have to write the multi-dimensional poverty measures can be used to create a more comprehensive picture. And multi-dimensional poverty is made up of several factors that constitute poor people's experience of deprivation, such as health, education, living standards, income, disempowerment, quality of work, and threat from violence. Three dimensions of poverty are there: health, education, living standard. Totally 10 indicators are there. In the health, nutrition and child mortality, and education, year of schooling, school attendance, and living standard, cooking and sanitation, water, electricity, floor, assets. So these are all the 10 indicators of this multi-dimensional nature of poverty. And multi-dimensional poverty index 2018 in India. In this multi-dimensional poverty index 2018 report prepared by the United Nations Development Program and the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative makes the following observations about India. According to this report, Bihar, with more than half its population in poverty, was the poorest state in 2015 to 16. The four poorest states, Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh, were still home to 196 million MPI poor people, which was over half of all the MPI poor people in India, and Kerala, one of the least poor regions in 2006. This must be written in this paragraph, and we have to write about our state Tamil Nadu also. Multidimensional Poverty Index 2018 report in Tamil Nadu. Over the last decades, Tamil Nadu has made a significant progress in poverty reduction. The districts in Tamil Nadu are classified into three categories. One is high poverty districts, moderately poor districts, and low level poverty districts. And Government of India is implementing many policies and programs to eradicate poverty. These policies and programs, if continued, will completely eradicate the poverty in the state. In future, Tamil Nadu also can become a model of development in India. So all these points must be written for this multidimensional poverty index India and Tamil Nadu paragraph. We have to write. Briefly explain the nutritional and health status of Tamil Nadu. In this paragraph, we have to write about the nutrition and health status in Tamil Nadu, like some nutrition programs in Tamil Nadu, the ongoing programs, important ongoing schemes in Tamil Nadu, and some nutrition programs in Tamil Nadu. Everything must be written for this paragraph. And some important ongoing schemes in Tamil Nadu, like under Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy's maternity benefit scheme, and Chief Minister's comprehensive health insurance scheme, and Tamil Nadu Health System Projects has launched ambulance services free of cost, and the school health program and the National Leprosy Eradication Program is being implemented in the state with the aim to detect and to provide sustained regular treatment to all leprosy patients. So all the points must be, these are all the important ongoing schemes in Tamil Nadu. And some nutrition programs in Tamil Nadu, like Puratchi Thalaivar MGR Nutrition Meal Program, National Program of Nutritional Support to Primary Education, General ICDS projects, and World Bank Assisted Integrated Child Development Services, and Tamil Nadu Integrated Nutrition Program, and Midday Meal Program. All these points must be written for this paragraph. Okay children, through this video we revised objectives, 2 marks, and paragraph, and some important paragraph, very important paragraph in this lesson: why the Green Revolution was born, and factors affecting the purchasing power and explain, and some of the important objectives of India's agricultural policy, and briefly explain the nutritional and health status of Tamil Nadu. These are all the important paragraphs you have to learn, and next lesson we can revise through next video. Thank you.